Do you want to reply to a specific TikTok comment with a video? You can easily answer questions, highlight viewer feedback, and boost engagement by turning comments into video responses. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To reply to a specific TikTok comment with a video, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, log into your account if you have not already. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select and open the video that contains the comment you want to respond to. Tap the comment icon on the right side of the screen to open the comments section. Locate the specific comment you want to reply to. Press and hold on the comment, then tap Reply with Video, or tap Reply under the comment and select the red camera icon. Your camera will open with the comment displayed as a sticker overlay on the screen. Record a new video or tap Upload to select a pre-recorded clip from your gallery. After recording, you can drag and pinch to resize or relocate the comment sticker, or tap it to set its duration. Tap Next to reach the final posting screen, add your caption and hashtags, then tap Post. Now your video response will be published, automatically linked to the original comment for your viewers to see.